Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Lutron Caseta with SmartThings easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your Lutron Caseta system is properly set up and functioning. Open the SmartThings app on your smartphone or tablet. If you haven't already, sign in to your SmartThings account. On the home screen, tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select device from the list that appears. In the device type menu, scroll down and select Lutron. Choose Lutron Caseta Wireless. Next, you will be prompted to log in to your Lutron account. Enter your Lutron credentials and tap Login. Once logged in, the SmartThings app will request authorization to connect. Review the permissions required and tap Authorize. After you authorize, the app will start searching for your Lutron Caseta devices. Once the search is complete, your devices will appear on the screen. Select the devices you wish to add to SmartThings. After selecting your devices, tap Add. Your Lutron Caseta devices are now connected to SmartThings. You can now control and automate your Lutron systems directly through the SmartThings app. Explore the app to set up custom automations and scenes. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized your Lutron Caseta system with SmartThings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.